That's at a 90-degree angle. Now I can follow it. And it'll break off. Once it gets into a little one. And then I can size it however I need to by throwing it back in the flame and wrapping it around the mantle. So that's why I always try to make it a little bit bigger than the mandrel. Come on now, I don't need that part hot. I need this part hot. Heat up. Oh, that hurts because that's hot.
Want to switch spots?
No, I'm talking about my hand. Oh, sorry, where am I? Thank you. I had it already. There.
Can you explain the process of you putting it inside that furnace?
You heat it up, it gets squishy.
Yes.
You take this, and that's not big enough yet. Dang it. You heat it up, it gets squishy, you bend it, you're done. That's the way. Twist. Twist, press. Alright.
Bro, these mosquitoes are killing.
What?
These mosquitoes. Bro.
Alright. Okay.
So how hard do you think this is?
1700.
Oh man. It's a nice heat. I kind of like the heat from this for.
Too big. Ow, that hurts.
We can get other gloves put underneath in there.
Huh?
If we can like get like layers and stuff, put it underneath that.
Like, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. Need all those pliers in there.
Yeah.
I'll be like